Good morning, students. Welcome to you in my YouTube channel Physics Adventure. Today we will discuss some numericals of kinetic energy of class 11th. So, our first numerical is the kinetic energy of a body increases by 300%. How much linear momentum of the body will increase? इसके लिए हमारे पास एक शॉर्ट ट्रिक है रूट 100 प्लस एन ओवर 100 -1 विल बी आउटसाइड ऑफ दिस and multiply by 100. This is only for whenever we have given only the kinetic energy and we have to find the momentum. So put here n is equal to kinetic energy is given 300%. So put the value of n in this formula. We will find out 100 plus 300 over 100 minus 1 and multiply by 100. This will become root 400 over 100 minus 1 and multiply by 100. Cut out this. Root 4 is 2. 2 minus 1 multiply by 100 is equal to 100%. This is the answer. Now, next numerical is if the momentum of the body increases by 20%, what will be the increase in kinetic energy of the body? It means if momentum of body we have given here momentum 20% and we have to find increase in kinetic energy. What is the difference? Here kinetic energy is given first of all and here momentum is given first of all. Only the difference in this formula, in both of these two formulas, here is root and here will be whole square. Only this. So here n is equal to 20%. This is the momentum. So put the value of n in this formula 100 plus 20 upon 100 whole square minus 1 and multiply by 100. This is equal to 120 upon 100 minus 1 and multiply by 100. This will cancel out 6, 5 and this is equal to, here is a whole square also. Okay, and 6 6 is 36 upon 25 minus 1 multiply by 100. This will become 36 by taking LCM minus 25 upon 25 multiply by 100. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1 and 1 upon 25 multiply by 100 is equal to 4. So this will become 44%. So this is the answer. So we have the two most important formulas for this. Now we will discuss the question number 3. Third question is if kinetic energy is double, then what will be the momentum? So as we have discussed in previous lecture, kinetic energy is denoted by E is equal to, what is the relation between kinetic energy and linear momentum is P square upon 2m. This is equation number 1. Then what will be the momentum? We have to find out linear momentum. P is linear momentum. So P square is equal to 2me. Therefore P is equal to square root of this value 2me. So if E kinetic energy is double, so if E is double then 2m into 2e, put here 2e, because if kinetic energy is double, this will become nothing but root 2 into 2me. What is this 2me? 2me is nothing but only this p, linear momentum. So we can write here root 2p. P is nothing but only the initial value. So we can find out by this method. Next, if momentum is double, then what will be the kinetic energy? So we know that kinetic energy is equal to P square upon 2m. Question number 1. If momentum is double, so put P is equal to 2p. Then E will become 2p square upon 2m. This is equal to 4p square upon 2m. Now 4 into, what is this? P square upon 2m. P square upon 2m is E. 4 into E. So this is the question. So whenever momentum is double and kinetic energy will be, then what will be the kinetic energy is equal to 4E. E is the initial value and it will become the root 2p, and this is the 4 time or quadruple of this initial value. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.